Hey guys.
Hi!
Hi
guys!
Welcome to May's Ipsy unboxing.
No. Hi guys! We are doing mixing the boxes.
May Ipsy unboxing.
May is seeing the boxing.
You want to show the box?
Yeah.
Okay, show the box. Okay, now let's open it and show everybody what we got. You gotta give them a sneak peek. You gotta go like this. Hang on. You gotta go like this. Hold it, just like this. Okay, sneak peek, just a little bit.
Big plate.
Okay, now let's pull everything we got out.
Wow!
Okay, put
This stuff is new.
Okay, put everything out. Wait. All right. Okay, put the box there.
Put this right.
Yeah, you can put that right there.
Yeah,
okay.
Put everything on this.
Okay, I'm gonna describe everything. Okay. So first up, I got to use this card because I got to read it.
The heck?
The first thing we got in this box came, I did not pick any of these things. This box says,
I love you and I got you.
This box does not say that it loves me. This box says that this is the Elemis Pro Collagen.
Let me see. It's a Loic can get this.
Overnight mask. Abby, I do need you to go get me my reading glasses. Go get me those glasses right there. No, right there on the base. Not those. Yep.
You got two glasses?
That's what happens when you get old. Yep, I need those white and black ones.
Let me try them on. Try these on. What the heck, Ison? See, you look weird. You look weird when I try these on.
We'll try them on. Show everybody what you look like then, Miss Mama.
The heck?
Give me them glasses and quit saying that. All right, now come back so you can get ready to talk about the next thing. But Elemis, and I've had some Elemis products before from subscription boxes, and I really do like them. All right, stop whining. Let me read this. So this is an overnight treatment that helps replenish and plump skin with moisture, helping to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Formulated with Pedema pavonica, microalgae, drone peptide technology, and wild indigo oligosaccharides, butchered that word. It helps skin look more relaxed and renewed. Tip: warm a pea-size amount between your palms, then gently smooth over your face. Full size, which is what this is, is stop. The MSRP is $165. They have lost their mind. But
lost her man.
That lost their mind. This is, we're going to take it out and smell it. Because we got to do that.
Let me do this.
It's thick. Abby, please.
Got it on your hands?
Got some on my nose. It does smell it. It smells like a lot of their products. Very clean. Very oceany. It is, I don't know how to describe that. I live 2 hours away from the ocean, and while it doesn't, I don't want to say that it smells like the beach, but it has that almost vibe. So anyway, we got that. I can't wait. I will start using this for sure tonight. Now, the next thing we got, let me show this. I'm going to hold this up.
Yeah.
This, show it so you can see it up there. This is the Blink Amplified Tubing Mascara in black.
It's not.
It is a mascara. I have used the Blink brand before. I've never used this type of product from them. I have used tubing mascaras, and I do like them. They're the second best thing to waterproof mascaras. Do like these. This ultra longwear formula delivers a soft glam look with natural looking volume, length, and a semi-matte finish. Smudge free and water resistant. It won't run or flake, yet it removes effortlessly with just warm water. Tip: start at the base of your lashes and brush up through the tips. Don't be afraid to layer. Full size is $36, so that's awesome. So far we've got 2 things, 1 skincare, 1 makeup.
This one got from there.
That was from last month. So the third thing in the box, you gonna hold the stuff up?
Yeah.
All right.
We got this too.
Well, we'll get that one in a minute. These are the Shayna B Miami lip liner set in Blush Bay and Berry Beach. So there's 2 lip liners in here. The full size is $24 for 2 of them. So I will take these out because I'm not going to open the mascara. I mean, it's mascara.
Can I?
It's not revolutionary. Let's see. Are these? Oh, it's got a smudger on it.
Let me try.
No, just wait a minute. You are the most impatient little lady I believe I've ever seen. But these have the little tip to them. Very
I want to
pretty.
get off.
I will try these in a video, a dedicated video, because we got a lot of nice stuff in here.
I want to go back in there.
Well, we got 2 things, and we're going to finish them. You got to stick it out with me. You wanted to do this. And then we'll do your unicorn or makeup if you want, or mermaid.
I mean, I no longer can.
2 things.
Unicorn one.
All right, show this. The next thing
Come with this.
is the, show it like that so they can see it, is the Mally Beauty Shimmer Shape and Glow Plus Face Defining Stick in On the Mauve.
Open this.
This is a multi-use face stick. It's your shortcut to luminous radiance. With a smooth glide and soft, cool pink color, it helps effortlessly blur imperfections and leave a flawless, glowing finish.
Pick on me.
Sweep along your cheekbones, lips, or anywhere you need that perfect glowing touch. Swipe onto your cheeks, then blend with your fingertips or brush. The MSRP is $22 on this. I have used Mally before. Mally is, you see a lot of this on QVC. They used to sell this at Ulta, if I am not mistaken. And I have used Mally products before. I think a lot of older makeup lovers used this for more mature, kind of like It Cosmetics. A lot of us mature makeup wearers utilize that more so, but I love Mally Beauty. But so I was sad to see them leave, but really glad that they're starting to make their way into subscriptions.
This on me.
Okay, well, we won't want to try on any makeup, but we're going to do that. Oh, that's pretty. It's a very nice, cool tone, but it was just, let's see. Ooh, it's nice. Got a nice soft blend. No scent, which is good.
Soft blend.
So I like how that does.
Let's do this first now.
Is the Violet Voss Disco Drip eyeshadow palette. Let me see. I got to see the price on it. So this is.
I'll make it down for now.
Do you want to show this palette?
Yeah.
And that's it. This. Hold on.
See the palette. Let me see the palette.
Okay, show it up.
Yo, we got this, and it's so cute.
Like you're supposed to.
It's so cute.
It is so cute. It is an all shimmer palette, except for one shade, which is a really pretty, warm, neutral transition shade, which is this pretty brown right there, which that's pretty with all of these colors. This is it's an eyeshadow palette, and the MSRP is $43 on this, which I don't really agree with. All of the Violet Voss palettes that I have, and I've got quite a few, they all came from subscription boxes. I have purchased a few of them
I need to get them from in here
online, and they
see what's in here.
But they still came from subscription boxes. They may have just been some that I didn't get in my box, but I was able to find them on
Facebook
resale sites. At any rate, I can't wait to use this. I like Violet Voss shadows. They're super nice. One of my favorites is the Olive You Forever. It's a green grungy. It's really pretty. Anyway, so this Ipsy bag cost me, I think it's $35 plus tax. So, and I got 5 items. I got the eyeshadow palette. That's mascara, baby. Don't mess with that.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put your stuff in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Close it.
So I got the makeup palette. I got the Mally blush, 2 lip liners, a mascara, and a super nice skincare. So I got 5 items in my box. And let's see, I'm going to total everything up. So the MSRP, there's one for $22, and then $43, $24, $26, $165. This whole box, the MSRP is
I'll be right back.
$280. I got for $30. That's a pretty good deal, in my opinion. So, there we go. This month's box was Born to Bloom. So, that is it for this month's Ipsy BoxyCharm. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we weren't too all over the place, but my little mama, she wanted to do this unboxing, and now she is having a fit for me to do her mermaid makeup. So
no, I'm talking about the princess one.
Oh, I'm so sorry. The princess makeup. So
I mean the like maybe princess.
She's ready to sit in this chair for me to put some makeup on her. Anyway, I'm going to say goodbye now. Abby, would you like to thank everybody for watching and close out the video?
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. As always, be beautiful, be kind.
No, be beautiful, be kind, be like a mermaid.
Be like a mermaid. And hopefully you can see. Let's see. Can you see this? Yes. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. I found this at a Hope of Glory store, and I picked it up. I said, I have these sayings kind of all over my house, and I said, I'm going to get this one, and I'm going to put it in my videos, because if you get nothing out of my videos, at least this will be the one thing you see if you only watch me for 5 seconds. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Tell them bye.
Bye, guys.
Did it stop? Did it stop, Abby?
Let me see.
No, it didn't. Oh. It won't stop.
Let me try.
Oh,